This proposal shows a scenario of a cybernetic system for learning, cyber-physical learning, and how due to the experience obtained in social robotics and artificial intelligence, a robotic platform can be used as support for learning a subject frequently pointed out as difficult by students of electronic engineering, robotics or mechatronics, electrical circuits. A robot mentor is an online advisor that can help you learn the fundamental knowledge and laws of electrical circuits. This advisor is a robot that you can interact with and learn in a personalized and disruptive way. A humanoid robot is a human-like robot that you can interact with. It has capabilities that allow it to carry on a conversation and accompany a learning process. Instead of connecting you with a teacher, this robot mentor will have the possibility to answer your questions and help you learn electrical circuits. The growth of robotics and the accessibility of technological platforms have made the inclusion of robots in daily life a possibility in the near future. Social robotics develops techniques for a natural insertion of robots into society. At Tec de Monterrey, we have been using humanoid robots for 10 years that help in education and health processes. We currently use robots at Tec de Monterrey to provide physical rehabilitation therapies. Students connect via Zoom and the robot does the exercises while the patient imitates the robot's movements. They are also used to give talks and workshops, and sometimes competitions are organized where the robot is used to complete different activities such as robot races, dance competitions, among others. This helps students solve problems, work as a team, and improve their programming skills. The subject of electrical circuits for engineering is a new subject in its content and often represents a challenge for students. The subject is conceived by the university community as a complicated and difficult to understand subject. The idea is that those who participate feel motivated with the help of a technological and attractive guide, with the robot playing the role of mentor. As a result of the analysis of the subject by the Coordination of Electrical Circuits at the Mexico City campus, it is necessary to offer help and guidance in a current way, which generates in the students the interest to learn these new concepts and which can generate an adequate mentoring scenario with them. The objective of this course is to introduce engineering students to the fundamental theory of electrical circuits necessary to model most of the devices and systems covered in this area of knowledge. This tutorial model covers the basic definitions of the elements of a circuit as well as the laws that govern them, along with general analysis methods and some useful techniques. For the therapies that are currently provided by robots, a computer is used to control the robot. A camera which reflects the robot's movements through Zoom. A student who manipulates the robot through the computers, and it is recommended to have another student or person looking after the integrity of the robot and supporting with other technical aspects. For electrical circuits advice, a similar set is proposed where you can have a support board and where the diagrams of the subject are shown while the robot explains. The main idea is to use the motivation that a robotic mentor can generate, so that students can be accompanied in the process of specific tutoring for the subject of electrical circuits. Based on our experience, humanoid robots increase attention and motivation in classes, which can generate support for the teachers who teach the class with guides during mentoring hours. At the same time, in Mexico there is a need for projects with a social impact, so a group of students would be invited to develop the entire tutoring scenario, which would develop creative, systemic and computational thinking as competencies to be developed in them. This scenario would always be supervised by professors in the area who would authorize the topics and problems to be explained and solved by the students for the provision of tutoring to students taking the subject of electrical circuits for the first time. Tecnológico de Monterrey's Mexico City campus experience in social robotics stands out for its exploration of the impact of humanoid robots in educational and social settings. Their research has shown that robots can enhance student interaction and engagement, providing a more dynamic and personalized learning experience. Findings indicate that robots not only facilitate knowledge acquisition, but also help develop social and emotional skills through natural and collaborative interactions. In particular, Lopez Cadana's studies have underlined the effectiveness of humanoid robots in personalized tutoring. These robots can adapt to students' individual needs, offering detailed explanations and immediate answers to their questions. The ability of robots to hold students' attention and motivate them to actively participate in the learning process has been one of the highlights in their research. These robots, equipped with advanced technology and artificial intelligence algorithms, can effectively simulate human interactions, creating an engaging and responsive learning environment. From the experience gained in these studies, a promising new scenario for Zoom tutoring using humanoid robotics emerges. By integrating these robots into video conferencing platforms, the reach of personalized tutoring can be expanded, allowing students to receive specialized assistance in real time, regardless of their geographic location. This combination of video conferencing technology and social robotics will not only improve the accessibility and convenience of tutoring, but will also foster more interactive and effective learning. Implementing humanoid robots in these environments could revolutionize education, providing students with a rich and multifaceted learning experience. For more information about this proposal, you can get more information from Professor Lopez Cadana. He is a research professor at the Monterrey Institute of Technology. He is in charge of a robotics team that teaches rehabilitation therapies as well as workshops and other talks at schools. He has a great deal of knowledge about the use of these robots since he has been working with them for more than 10 years.
Hello, I am very pleased to meet you. My name is Itzel, and as you can see I am a humanoid robot. We collaborate with the now Tim CCM of the Technology Cozy Monterrey, Mexico City campus. My team and I are very excited to speak with you today. We recently hosted some of your professors and university administrators here in Mexico, and we were thrilled to hear from you about what you do as students over there. We know that you are a technology-oriented university. We think that's awesome. I hope that soon we will be able to continue doing more things and projects together. In the team, besides my robot brothers, there are also many students from different careers and areas of study, mainly from robotics and digital systems engineering, computer technologies, mechatronics, biomedical, and many others. And all these students are the ones who are in charge of programming us and making the team grow. And we know that with the collaboration of all of you who study at the University of Twente, Netherlands, we can make this possible. It was a pleasure meeting you, and we expect to see you soon. Bye!